My name is Nicola Maher and I'm a partner in the insurance litigation team here at Edwin Coe. Insurance is a domestic and commercial necessity for all individuals and businesses, and we tend to represent a wide range of policyholders, including corporate, SME and high net worth clients based both in the UK and abroad. The team here at Edwin Coe have been practicing insurance litigation for over 50 years, and we're never conflicted to act against insurance companies or against brokers in broker negligence claims. Given our experience in these claims, I thought it would be useful to provide some practical advice suitable for all and any policyholders in the event of a loss. Firstly, if a loss such as a fire, flood, cyber incident or theft occurs, it's really important that you notify your insurer as soon as possible. And of course, the burden of proof is on you to prove your claim, so it's vital that you preserve all the evidence, for example, damaged plant and machinery, forensic evidence and relevant documentation. Contrary to popular belief, a loss adjuster acts for and is paid by the insurer. And of course, once the claim has been notified, a loss adjuster will investigate the claim, usually attending the scene of the incident, and will report back to insurers as to whether or not to pay that claim. There is an obligation on the policyholder under the terms of any policy to fully cooperate with the loss adjuster, and that means providing documentation and access to witnesses. But this doesn't necessarily prevent you from taking reasonable and proper advice during the course of those investigations. You may have heard of a loss assessor. Loss assessors act as agents for the policyholder and effectively advise you and protect your position. They will liaise with the loss adjuster, and many loss assessors have extensive experience of handling large and complex claims. They are one of the first team members you should consider appointing, especially in cases of large and complex losses. It is commonplace for insurers to appoint forensic investigators in the case of major fires or burglaries. They will also instruct forensic accountants and possibly even private investigators to conduct detailed investigations into the circumstances of the loss, the state of your business, and also your own personal background. You should therefore be ready to instruct your own forensic experts, accountants or indeed lawyers if so advised by your loss assessor. Be wary if you're told by the loss adjuster to clear the premises after insurers' forensic examinations have completed. Make sure that your own experts have actually obtained all the evidence that may be required, especially if the insurer subsequently refuses to pay. Now, when presenting the claim, and especially in the case of substantial claims, you will usually need professional help, and primarily this will come from the loss assessor, who will carefully research and formulate the material damage, business interruption and any other claims. Care should always be taken not to overstate your claim. To do so may cause you difficulty in establishing that your claim is genuine, and may also, in some cases, result in the loss of your claim. So, in summary, I thought I'd leave you with a quick claim checklist. Firstly, notify your insurers of your claim as soon as possible. Take all reasonable steps to minimise the loss. Make sure that all forensic evidence is preserved. Make yourself aware of any policy terms, perhaps warranties which may be critical to liability being accepted. Collate all evidence necessary to substantiate your claim, and whatever you do, don't overstate your claim. Seek professional advice if liability for your claim is denied by insurers, and consider whether your inability to make a recovery against your insurers actually gives rise to a claim against your broker or perhaps another intermediary. Be aware of the possibility of claiming for uninsured losses from perhaps any third party liable for causing the loss or damage. And of course, make yourself aware of the sums insured and their adequacy to ensure that your claim is presented in the most effective way. Insurance claims can be complex, stressful, and if disputed by insurers, they can represent the difference between a viable and continuing business or one which fails as a result of a loss. So it's important to consider bringing in experienced professionals such as loss assessors and lawyers, and the team here at Edwin Co are always happy to discuss your claim with you.